Mega infrastructure doesn't succeed by chance. It succeeds because the right structures, partnerships, and leadership are in place long before construction begins. The Lesotho Highlands Water Project is built on a joint venture model designed for scale, complexity, and long-term national impact. Mark Matchett, Zutari's Managing Director for Project Management and the authorized representative of the MSKC Joint Venture, oversees the strategy that keeps this multi-organization engine aligned. His work shapes how expertise is shared, how decisions are governed, and how risk is managed across a program of significant national and regional importance. And beyond the technical demands lies the bigger picture. Building at this scale is only possible when collaboration becomes a discipline.
The Lesotho Highlands Water Project was conceptualized in the 1950s by one of the founders of Zutari's heritage companies, Shand. The project concept was to capture the waters of the highlands of Lesotho and transfer those to South Africa, primarily to serve the economic hub of South Africa, namely the Gauteng Transvaal area as it was previously known. South Africa was in dire need of additional source of water, and in Lesotho it's known as white gold. It's a bilateral project of world proportions. It is a very complex project. It is a world-class project, one that comprises engineering, environmental, social engineering skills second to none in the world. Zutari's involvement through its heritage companies started as early as the early 90s with the design and construction supervision of the access roads for phase 1, and then they were also involved in delivery tunnels which ran from the Caledon River to the Ash River outfall. And in phase 2, Zutari has been involved in some significant projects, namely the Senku River Bridge, the Khubedu Bridge, and various other projects including the Puri-Hadi Transfer Tunnel, which is a significant project, 38 kilometers of tunnel bored through the Maluti Mountains with 2 TBMs working from each end. The MSKC Khubedu Joint Venture, MSKC, a joint venture between 4 South African firms and a Lesotho firm, as well as a number of sub-consultants. The reason for the joint venture is, as you know, a project of this scale and of this nature needs the very best engineering skills, as well as project management and construction supervision, as well as to develop local talent, both within South Africa and especially in Lesotho. So this project would not deliver on its objectives if it only focused on one beneficiary, being South Africa and not Lesotho. Lesotho's interests must be first and foremost, both in terms of the development of its talent, its economy. The water supply to South Africa is a significant objective to provide much needed relief to South Africa's water shortage in the hinterland, but also to support Lesotho's drive to being able to develop its own hydroelectric power through the Muela power station, as well as future hydroelectric developments. It's not just about providing a hole in the ground to transfer water to South Africa, it's about providing a whole host of pertinent and associated infrastructure and development for the communities and the country at large.